Hi everybody, Chuck Funky here, Asea CEO with Scott Aldred, the Chief Operations Officer down at the Asea Redox Center. You've heard us talk a lot about the fact that during all of this crazy times, we've been able to keep our operations, for the most part, relatively stable here at Asea. And thought it would be a great opportunity to walk you through the Asea Redox Center, give you a sense of some things that are still happening, even though it seems like most of the world is shut down right now. And Scott, why don't you tell us, even right before all of this really happened, we were in the process of remodeling the lobby here, and just give us a sense of what's going on.
Yeah, we started a remodel in January, and obviously that continued through. This is the event room. This is where we do training. We're just doing the very final touches, getting the new doors hung. We'll go over here to our front lobby where we handle...
They bring breakfast in for a lot of the folks every morning, so there's one breakfast burrito still to be had, Chase, with your name on it.
Okay, so new lobby, new floor, new desk, some new furniture. This is where we do will call as well. One of the things that we've implemented is actual curbside pickup. So if you're here to do a will call, you can call and we will bring the product out and load it for you as well. So we've got Valerie here. Good morning.
Hey Valerie. Valerie works in our associate support and obviously runs the will call center down here at the Asea Redox Center. So many people taking advantage of the curbside?
Yes, they are.
Awesome. So you can certainly see we're trying to follow all appropriate social distancing standards, both here and up at the corporate office. So we're going to take you on a real quick tour, so let's keep moving. Thanks,
all right,
Valerie.
thank you.
Thanks, Valerie. See you. Now, one of the things that we have to do before we can enter the manufacturing facility is get our temperature taken.
That's right. So we'll go to the quality control office. They'll do a temperature scan on us. Good morning, Jose. All right, we'll stop here and do
Kevin,
a temperature check.
Can we get you to check our temperature before we go any further?
Got it ready for you. Looks good.
Did I pass?
35.6.
You're gonna have to do. You're gonna have to walk over there and do Chase as well.
Absolutely.
So get him on there.
Behind the scenes.
Okay, we're good.
We're good to go.
36.
So Kevin works in our quality department, and what makes him uniquely qualified to take everybody's temperature every day is that he has 10 kids, right? So
10 kids.
I mean,
Yeah.
you know,
That's
you
right.
know,
And then
you know
we're
how to
not
take
making
hey,
that
sorry,
up
sorry.
at all. All right.
Thanks, Kevin.
Thank you.
Thanks, guys.
All right, we're going
We'll keep moving.
keep moving.
Darren Fox, who oversees our manufacturing facility, obviously must have saw us coming because he's not in there. So we'll catch up with him later. Hey guys.
Lab services, so we're doing testing for redox this morning. So it doesn't stop here. We got to keep making sure that we're testing all the product. Okay, unlock the door here.
Okay, we're going to move fast.
Okay, hit the hand sanitizer.
Here we go. For those of you who have been in the manufacturing facility before, you're going to see some very significant changes that have just been made in the last couple of weeks.
Okay, go, go, go. Let's see if you can run the camera and put hand sanitizer on at the same time. So processing room through here, a lot of upgrades. We continue to scale the operation for everyone. We'll step into production.
Yeah, and one of the first things people are going to notice right away, Scott, is, wow, there's a lot more room than there used to be.
Yeah, total redesign of this space in here. We've removed all the racking. This is functional only for production. And then this space right here is where we do all of our quality checks. We'll go ahead and look at this new equipment. This is a palletizer. That was installed in January.
So Scott, tell us what this piece of equipment does.
Okay, so this will stack your cases of Asea. Depending on our rate of production, we'll have a pallet produced every 12 to 15 minutes. We'll pull this off, we'll do an inspection, and then we'll move it to our shipping area. So this was a big upgrade for the facility this year. We'll head over here to our production space. We're running Australia product this morning.
There's Darren right there.
Say hi,
The guy
Darren.
who oversees, say hi, Darren.
Darren and John.
All systems go. So John. So Scott, you said this is Australia product?
Yeah, running Australia today. Rate of production about 42 bottles a minute. Average production we've ramped up to is over 7,000 cases per day. So really an increase of what we're doing to meet global demand during this time. So let's walk back around here. We're running Renew 28 as well.
Thanks, Darren. So here you got actually a great shot of this coming right off the palletizer here with the forklift waiting on it. And this is a system that up until just January, Scott, was completely manual.
Yeah, all manual. One of the things that we're able to do is upgrade the equipment, and then we can expand without getting more people. So same amount of people, a lot more production.
Awesome. So Scott, where's the Renew 28 running today for?
Renew 28 today, our production is for Taiwan. We've also done an upgrade for our sample tubes, so they're bagged automatically now. So a lot of upgrades have taken place so far this year, but what it allows us to do is be very flexible with our production. So we've got Taiwan running right now, Australia running. We finished a US batch this morning of Asea Redox, and let's head on over to our distribution center.
Yeah, one of the big changes you'll notice, for those of you who've been here before, is just how much more room there is. And I got to just point this out, even through the COVID-19, we still maintain our sense of humor, right? We know that's not how you spell quality.
So preventive maintenance, all of our spare parts are stored here on site, full maintenance team. As you can see, if you've been here before, we've added an additional 20,000 square feet of distribution space. So we have 3 separate units right now. We have production, we have all of our shipping, and we have all of our receiving located in the new warehouse.
So guys, how are you? So Scott, this line right here is where the additional 20,000 feet we just acquired
April 1st.
April 1st.
Yeah,
And you can
April
see,
1st, we took down this wall, expanded into this final space of the building, and this is where we stage international shipments. It's also where all the international, or all of our parts come in, like corrugated, our boxes, our bottles, caps, anything we use for production. So we now occupy the full 66,000 square feet of this building.
So everything you see occupying this entire space, all the racking that's been moved over there, that all used to fit in the area that you just saw. So this has been a remarkable upgrade for us, just in terms of being able to service the volume of product that's being manufactured, but also put in the queue in order to go out to the various markets. Scott, any other comments just on the state of production and manufacturing
a couple
right now?
things that's really interesting. In March, we hit record production rates. So over 150,000 cases of Asea Redox product was produced in a single month. That was a 21% increase over our previous record. So although the world's going crazy, we're still here producing, practicing social distance while we're doing here in a very safe manner. There's no cleaner place that I'd rather be each and every day, and right here at the Asea Redox Center. So
guys,
thanks for your support. We love it.
So hopefully, guys, this will give you a sense of how the business continues to move forward, and we are obviously in the way here and holding up a very important business. So with that, thanks for all you're doing. We'll talk to you guys soon.
All right,
Thanks.
take care.
Thanks, guys.